Alright, so this is going to be a slideshow showing how to open up and disassemble this ASUS model V241IC. This is an all-in-one PC. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is remove the 4 screws from the bottom. If I remember correctly, these are PH1 or JS1 screws. Next, you're going to want to pry the screen away from the back panel. I use a thin metal pry tool, and you want to pry around the bottom and the sides. So I'm just showing how to replace the hard drive to upgrade it to an SSD. I'm not actually taking the entire screen assembly out from the back panel. Once you've pried out the clips on the bottom and the sides, you can pull the panel forward and you can see the hard drive caddy to the left. We're going to undo the 3 screws holding it in place. There's one to the left and then one above and one below. Once you've done that, you can actually slide the entire hard drive caddy out to the left. Once you have the hard drive and the hard drive caddy out, you're going to want to undo the 4 screws on the sides and then pop the hard drive out and replace it with the new hard drive or SSD. Now you just slide back the hard drive or SSD with the hard drive caddy to the right back into place, put back the 3 screws, and then you can go ahead and snap the screen back into the back cover. Again, I didn't remove the entire cover, so hopefully you have enough room to remove the screws. If you need to remove the entire screen, you want to be careful because the cables can only stretch so far. You don't want to accidentally rip those cables out. Now you just have to put back the 4 bottom screws, and then if you didn't clone your hard drive to the replacement drive or SSD, you'll want to reinstall Windows. Sorry I couldn't make a live video of this process. I was working on the computer at a medical office, and because of that I can't record the audio in the area. So anyways, hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this channel with others so that they can also learn how to upgrade and repair their devices. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.